I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And I'm Paige Oliger.
And we are so excited to have Paige here today because she has been in our life for, I don't know, like 6 years? 8
Something
years?
like that. Yeah.
Seems like forever.
Well, we met Paige at
In a
the
good way?
American College of Lifestyle Medicine Conference in Tucson. Whatever year that was, 17, 16? But the American College of Lifestyle Medicine, awesome thing. Make sure that your doctor is certified or your nurse practitioner or whoever you see. But Paige not only works with them, you have your own cool thing that you are working with. Will you explain to us what that is?
I have a certification for plant nutritious foods. So basically you have your vegan, vegetarian, you've got plant-based. It's hard to tell which is actually plant nutritious. And so working with all these lifestyle medicine practitioners like your dad, yourselves.
Is it on here?
No, not there. Not yet. Not yet. It should be. But it's a seal that would identify what is a nutritious plant-based food.
Let's say the cool word you have, though. You haven't said it yet.
Oh, Plantricious?
Plantricious.
Yes.
Is that a cool word?
It's plants plus nutrition plus delicious.
Oh, Plantricious. So you can look at your food and say, oh, it's kosher certified with the, what is it certified?
It's like a P, I think, isn't it? For par?
Yeah, P. Or organic certification has that like whatever pick image, or vegan with the V, or blah, 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 other things. And you can look for this. Is yours purple?
It's purple with a green
We
page.
just saw it on something yesterday.
Leaf side.
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway, Plantricious Paige, perfect. Is going to make, what are you making with us today?
We call it awesome sauce, but basically what it is a version of Afghani chutney. And so instead of using, we Plantricious it. So instead of using sugar, cane sugar, we use dates to sweeten it. And I think it also calls for walnuts in it, but we don't put the walnuts in it. So it is super, super easy. Goes on everything like burritos, wraps. If you're doing a bowl.
We're gonna celebrate the sauce itself. Or you actually have a different name for it too. You call it an.
I called it awesome sauce.
But you
I love that name.
an Afghani.
Afghani chutney is what it's technically called.
Okay, an Afghani chutney, awesome sauce. We were trying it with English muffins today, and we're also going to try it with some crackers,
And some hummus.
and some hummus, just to try it in different ways. Okay, so what do you need, and where are we going?
So we just need a Vitamix. We throw everything in Vitamix. You need like a big bunch of cilantro, a jalapeno pepper, about 2 cloves of garlic. You could use 3 if you really like garlic, which I do, but vinegar, white vinegar, and then we've got, that's it. It's really simple.
It looks really simple. I can't wait to try it. Okay.
So basically all I do, I washed and we kind of dried this. Then you kind of roughly chop it. And do you want to pour a half cup of vinegar for me?
Oh,
thanks. Yeah,
yes.
it's just right there.
The acid queen will be happy to do
Yeah, I
anything,
know.
anything with
and
vinegar.
this is white vinegar.
Yeah, it calls for white vinegar, so I haven't tried it with any other vinegar. But you know what? It would be good to try it with a flavored one. I wonder if that would.
Well, we've got anywhere between 65 and 90 different
That's what I
vinegars over
figured.
there
I think
that
this
we
is the house where we could do that. I just like kind of roughly chop things. 2 cloves of garlic. Take your little.
Oh, take the outer coating.
Yeah.
I know sometimes in my recipes I feel so badly. I say like to finely mince or whatever, and then you put it in the Vitamix or the high-speed blender, and I'm like, well, you know, they didn't really have to do that. I shouldn't have added that detail. You include the seeds.
I do not. I'm
Okay.
taking them out
Okay.
now because, yeah. But I do like that you do a separate chopping board for your peppers and your onions and stuff.
Yeah, sorry
your
about
garlic.
the sort of, I don't know, rough chopping board, but this is our onion board and our
Love
jalapeno board because it's hot and flavorful stuff. When we're cutting peaches or strawberries, we don't want to have the residue of those flavors. You know what I mean?
I think it's great. No, I'm going to do that.
We'll do
Go get one. An excuse to buy another.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes,
so
yes.
I just, in my Vitamix, it works better if I put the liquid in first.
Yep, that's probably
And then, oh, Ann, can you take the seeds out of that for me, please? And then I'll put these little guys in. You got your jalapenos and your
that was just
garlic.
one. It looks like a tube. That was a big
It is
one.
a big one. I don't like it hot.
Is this hot?
It's hot.
Hey.
Do you like hot?
Heat it. Wait, it
Uh,
does.
No
Wade does.
seed.
Oh, wow, cool. All
No,
right.
no pins that day.
No, and these are Medjooldates. I like Medjooldates because they're soft.
Yummy,
and they,
yummy. Yeah.
Yeah. And then, there you go. And then we just throw this stuff in there, the cilantro.
How easy.
I'm telling you, it's easy. And you can put a little salt in there if you want, but we can always do that later if you want salt. But
No, we don't.
I know,
We don't
you
love
guys-
to use salt.
Do you
So,
put that in?
nope. No, that's for the little spread on top. And that's it.
I'm
So,
gonna get the big scary things out of the scene.
okay. So, okay. Jane, your Vitamix is a
on.
little, okay.
The power's on, so just
We might need a little water because sometimes it gets a little thick.
okay.
Okay.
I have
And-
what about a half cup option here?
yeah, just like I usually put it in like a tablespoon at a time. Okay, Jane. So yours is a little different than mine.
Okay, we just,
So-
I just
Oh,
turn it
really?
on or just.
I just do that.
This is why we usually. This is why we use a cleaning arm.
Oh, really? Yeah.
If it'll go, it'll go.
Oops, sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna. There we go. And
Our page really getting.
that's it.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay, I'm gonna
That's
get,
beautiful.
I'm gonna
And-
get a little.
It smells so fresh. And I don't know if you guys smell that.
Oh my gosh! Oh, wait a minute! All right, smell that. It's like the jalapeno is like it's like nerve gas.
We like it hot in our family.
Okay, smell that. That'll clear your. Look at that hot top shot. Oh my gosh! Wait, look at that. You're gonna.
And it's such a
love
bright
it.
green.
It's so bright.
That'll last in your fridge for a couple days, or like maybe
And-
it'll last for a week. But it starts to get
It'll
darker
last on
and
your
thicker.
palate for a week too.
No, it's nice and clean and
No,
fresh.
I can't wait to try. Here, pour it in there.
Okay.
And I'm gonna get this out of the way.
But it's so quick and
beautiful.
easy. Oh, and you can mix it in rice.
Oh, I
You know,
like
it would be
I
really
love
good on
rice.
rice or any kind of grain. But here you go. It's so pretty.
Yum.
I love
here,
your bowls.
we got some. We just toasted some. We toasted some
English muffins.
English muffins. These
And
are
the Ezekiel
brand. Thank you. I couldn't
yes.
think of the name.
And then,
Ezekiel.
and then we've got the Cedars hummus there, the fat and oil free.
And I need a fire extinguisher. Okay.
Okay, yeah, it's good plain like that.
To try this.
Wade's mouth is
Yeah.
watering into his camera. Do you see like the water dripping on the front of the lens? Okay, I'm trying to break this in half. I toasted it. Well, so do you put this on then that, or
Whatever you want.
okay, Wade?
So it's kind of,
I'm gonna have you try it before I do, and you tell me if it's hot, like flavor
No,
hot.
it's not.
It's perfect. Well,
I just.
That's good. No, it's not hot. I think it'll be okay.
yeah, I think you're okay.
It's a little hot, but it'll be okay.
oh my gosh!
Doesn't it brighten everything? It's like,
Good morning, starshine.
Oh, it's refreshing.
yeah,
How
we
did
love
that
it.
do that? Oh, here it
I
comes.
don't
Back of the throat heat. Did you get in the back of the throat?
I don't know. She's getting water. I don't know. No, it's to me, it's like really just,
You know,
it pops everything.
we're so not trained chefs, but like you know something is good when you taste it here and here and here and here. Like the flavor hits you in multiple places, and you're not just having like a bite of whatever. You're having this whole experience of all the flavors and the spots. You're supposed to.
Isn't that awesome stuff?
So how do you do it with the hum? Oh, here.
Oh, I just, just put a
No,
little hummus on here. I'll make you one. So here's that. And then you just put a little of this on top. It's just, there you go.
Oh, that's really little.
Well, I didn't know.
I think it's good. Just pile it on.
How do you
thin
have it?
plain.
How do you serve yourself?
Me, like I said, we put it on our bowls and things like that. Like the other night we
What was
had kale with farro and then like roasted potatoes and broccoli and carrots and onions and threw this on top. It was just really good. And then on wraps, do it a lot on wraps, like our tofu wraps and what
Do you
else?
put it in the wrap or you dip it?
Oh, I put it in the wrap.
I'm coming back for another. I want another hit. I want another hit in the back of the throat.
But it would be
it's
good
like
on-
it's sweet,
Yeah.
and then it's acidic, and then it's fire.
But you could even pour it over like a hummus if you have like a hummus or any kind of dip or
Yeah.
you know you could mix it in the hummus and make
Oh my
a
God, that
yeah
would
wouldn't
be
that be
good.
good?
Oh, hummus these days, sometimes they have a little hole right there and they put like
that in there?
roasted
Yeah.
garlic or whatever, caramelized onions, pudding. Awesome.
Awesome sauce.
You know, Paige, someone just gave me a great card the other day and they said, wait, if you are what you eat, you must have had awesome for breakfast.
There you go.
Because this is awesome. You are awesome. Thank you so much. This is delicious.
I love being here. Thank you.
And we have something awesome to put on everything now.